Today we will discuss Sarojini's biography. Sarojini Naidu was a child prodigy, a freedom fighter and poet who is known as the Nightingale of India, Bharatiya Kokila, Bulbule Hindustan. She was the first Indian woman to become the president of Indian National Congress and the first women governor of Uttar Pradesh, India's fourth largest state. As such, although her name is not as well recognized as that of the female Prime Minister of India, Indira Gandhi, she had the way for women in Indian politics. After the arrest of Gandhi, Abbas, Tayyab-ji, Kasturba Gandhi, she was instrumental in the Indian independence movement, joining Mahatma Gandhi in the Salt March to Dandi and then leading the Dharna Satyagraha. She was a wife and a mother as well. In India, Women's Day is celebrated on her birthday. Some information about her birthplace, and her relatives and her own education. She has taken born 13 Feb 1879. Hyderabad State, British India, now in Telangana, India. Died 2 March 1949 at the age of 70. Lucknow, United Provinces, Dominion of. She was Indian by nationality. Indian Politics Party, Indian National Congress, and her husband's name was Govindarajalu Naidu, and she has 4 children including Padmaji. She has 5 children, and her relatives, her brother name was Varadnath, and another brother name was Harindranath, and sister names was Sushani. Suhashini sister's name was Suhashini, and alma mater where she has taken her education, University of Madras, King's College, London. Let's something know more about her family. She met Dr. Motiala Govindarajalu Naidu at the age of 17 while still in England. जब वो इंग्लैंड में थी तब उनकी मुलाकात किससे हुई? गोविंदराजालू नायडू से, है ना? एंड फेल इन लव विद हिम, बिलोंग टू आंध्र प्रदेश, जो कि आंध्र प्रदेश से संबंधित थे, वहाँ के निवासी थे. अ वेरी हैप्पी वन वॉज हर मैरिज. दे वर मैरिड इन 1898 इन मद्रास, है ना? और ये जय सूर्या, पद्माजी, रणधीर एंड लीला मणि, ये इनके 4 बच्चे थे. हैड 4 चिल्ड्रन. और जो है इन्होंने सी हैड रिमेंबर्ड हर चिल्ड्रन in her own work with the name of To My Children and Life. Even though Govindarajalu was a non-Brahman, वो ब्राह्मण नहीं थे, the marriage was blessed by her kin. A noted Indian activist Virendranath Chattopadhyay, he was her brother, है ना, was Naidu's brother. Varadnath was instrumental in a formal. A noted Indian activist Virendranath Chattopadhyay, he was her brother, was Naidu's brother, I mean to say. Varadnath was instrumental in forming the Berlin Committee during World War I and was one of the leading figure of Hindu-German scheme conspiracy to spur an anti-British, pro-German rebellion in India. He later became committed to consumes moving to Soviet Russia, where on Joseph Stalin order in 1937 he is believed to have been executed. Or Harindranath, another brother, was an actor, poet and composer. She has presented her own poem with the name of the And Salutation to My Father's Spirit, to immortalize her father in her famous sonnet. She get opportunity to meet Gandhiji in England 1914, which she later returned to protest over the Jallianwala Bagh in April 1919. The birthday of Naidu is celebrated on 13 February, which is in the forms of the Women's Day to remember the strong voice of women in the history of India. Directed by Bhagwan Das and produced by the Film Division of the Government of India, Sarojini Naidu in 1960 is a documentary film about her life. She was granted the title of Nightingale of India. Sarojini Naidu was among the 1950s leading figures. Important quality of her writing. Which styles she has adopted for her own work. Many of Naidu's poems are about the natural world, our daily life. Many are started with her love for the independence of India from British rule and her patriotism, with the use of literary devices such as imagery, alliteration. Naidu's writing style is conventional and simple. Imagery is the definition of sight, sound, state, touch, or smell, using all of the five senses. The poems by Naidu are rich with imagery. She received this nickname with the name of the Nightingale of India due to her contribution to poetry. Her work, rich in imagery, covered several topics including passion, death, separation. Most of her poems have repetition of lines across stanza. This is similar to the Song of Nightingale, repetitive and lovely, thus giving her the title the Nightingale of India, Bulbule Hindustan, Kokila of India. At her death, some lines were spoken by the different person. On her death, the nation paid a fitting homage to her. B.G. Kher, a chief minister of Bombay, said Sarojini was a devoted wife, loving mother, poet, orator, ambassador, governor, guide, philosopher, and friend. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru pay tribute to her by saying these words, "And now the dearest and brightest of them is gone. I feel desolate of heart and widowed in spirit."